Hi, this is Terry with Exactline Tools. Today we're doing a repair on a Mazda Miata. Now, this car has a big dent in it, and it really has become the focus of attention. Not the kind of attention that the owner wants, but we're going to resolve that problem real quick today in this video. You can see that it goes in pretty quick, pretty far in there, all the way up against the wheelhouse. So we have to pull it out from the outside mostly, and we'll begin that in just a second. We'll be using nails initially, like we've done here. I've only sanded the areas around the dent area that I was going to pull, so I could use the rest of the paint to give me an indication where the shape is going, just like in PDR. You can see there's quite a bit of damage there. And now we've sanded it back a bit further and straightened out all the various areas with the Spitznagel, pulling and straightening and feathering back the paint with 180 grit, and then with 200 grit beyond that. We can see we're up in on the top where the gas door is, and all the way down about 3/4 of the quarter panel will be repaired. Here's another shot of it. It's all coming into shape. It's got a beautiful shape, but now we're going to do the final shaping with the blade. The blade is going to transition across areas. We started by doing a sweep down the middle of the quarter panel, which is just above the wheel flare at the top of that. And then we put 2 sweeps on either side of that. The first sweep initiated the basic shape of the quarter panel, and the 2 on either side help start to build upon that shape. Now we have a low spot in the middle, and we're going to do a sweep across that, which we've done, and we've also done an additional sweep forward from that, almost up to the door, just to smooth that area into perfection. That's the beauty of the blade. You can move from one area to the next, and eventually you'll have a perfect shape, which we have here. We can see that the body is in perfect alignment with the natural shape of the car. It has a beautiful trajectory from front to rear. The top section there has been repaired, and I've transitioned over the gas door. I also made my sweeps over that thick paint. There was at least 2 coats of paint on this car, or 2 paint jobs, and we bridge that with plastic filler. So we won't have any problems going forward with paint and primer shrinking. When you have primer that goes over an area that you have worked that is straight, and then it fills up an area between it and the paint that's been flared, usually it's bare metal, it will fill quite an area. You might have to put many layers of paint on there in order to fill that, and in the future it'll shrink back according to how thick it is. Less in those areas that it's not thick, and more where it is thick, and that's where you get repair circles and fading and a lot of paint problems. This one will look beautiful for years going forward. It really has a beautiful shape. The owner is not going to be talking about that dent anymore. He's just going to be talking about how beautiful the car is with everybody that looks at it. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go to YouTube and check out all of our videos on our channel. I truly believe that this is the fastest, easiest, most accurate way to do bodywork. But please leave your comments, give us your opinion.